So home maintenance for the month of June. This month we're going to be doing it from one of my short-term rentals. This month we're going to cover something that you should do with your water heater that will make it last over 2 decades. Washing your siding, washing your exterior windows, and we'll be deep cleaning your washing machine. Well, let's get started. By flushing your tankless water heater every 12 to 18 months, your on-demand water heater will last decades. You'll need a short hose, a 5-gallon bucket, 3 gallons of distilled vinegar, a submersible pump, such as transfer pump, sump pump, or what I use for my boats here, a pole pump. Be sure the gas valve and electricity to the heater is off. Locate the flush valves on the water heater. Turn the valve for cold water supply off, and the valves that feed into your hot water lines off as well. Hook up the hose to the hot side of the flush valves and feed the hose into the bucket. Hook up your pump's hose to the cold side of the flush valves. Fill the bucket with 3 gallons of vinegar and place the pump inside the vinegar. So this is going to be running for about 45 minutes. So we're going to turn it on and we'll be back in 45 minutes. The vinegar will cycle into the water heater and back into the bucket. Now we'll flush cold water through the system. Disconnect the cold water hose, turn off the cold isolation valve, remove the hot side hose from the bucket and hold on to it. Now turn on the cold water supply. Let this run for about 2 minutes. Disconnect the remaining hose and turn off the isolation valve. Lastly, we'll check the pre-filter. Unscrew and run it under running water to remove any buildup. Screw the filter back in. We're ready to get the system running again. Make sure both isolation valves are turned off. Turn on the cold supply valve, turn on the main hot valve, turn the supply valve back on, and finally, turn the electricity supply back on. Next, we're gonna wash our siding. This can be done with a hose and solution dispenser, or a pressure washer set on the rinse setting. Never pressure wash your siding with anything different, as it could damage your paint and your siding. Most house wash solutions will include bleach, so you should cover up anything that could be damaged, such as plants, rugs, and patio furniture. Spray the solution on, working in small sections to prevent drying and streaking before you're ready to rinse. Let it sit 5 to 10 minutes to loosen any debris and kill any algae. You can also use a soft bristle brush to help clean any stubborn debris. Once any green from algae is no longer showing, it's time to switch to rinsing with water. Give it a final rinse after you think all the solution is removed to ensure there is no leftover residue. It's time to also wash the windows. Washing your own windows can save you another few $100s on a 2,000 square foot home. Last, it's time to wash the washing machines again. I recommend deep cleaning your washing machine at least every 3 months. Douse a cloth with vinegar, wipe down all the gaskets where the door meets the gaskets and the door's window. Measure 1 cup of vinegar, add a couple drops of essential oil if you'd like, and then pour it into the washing machine. Turn the washing machine to the hottest setting or a self-clean cycle. Thanks for joining me for June's home maintenance video. Next month we'll be returning to filming from a past client's home so I can continue thanking you guys for your referrals and to show you just how easy it is to maintain the homes that you fell in love with.